Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you several lean and greens that I've had recently that I think you'd enjoy. The first one here is 2 servings of romaine lettuce, 1 serving of fresh cucumber, 7 ounces of shrimp, and I have 2 servings of avocado as my healthy fat. I did sprinkle a little bit of fresh lemon juice on top as my dressing, and another benefit to that is it keeps the avocado from turning brown. This is one of my favorite lean and greens, and I hope you try it out. The next one on the menu here is, this is such a goodie. This is 3 whole eggs, which you're allowed to have once a week, and a box of hearts of palm from Trader Joe's. You can use as a condiment some maple syrup, sugar-free, or you can just do this plain. Tonight I did it plain. I just had the eggs and hearts of palm. This is a quick and easy dish to have when you're in a hurry. Another one, this is a good one. This is the 96% lean ground beef from Trader Joe's. I mix it with 3 servings of cauliflower rice, and I used 2 Laughing Cow wedges of cheese in there. When you mix the Laughing Cow with this, it comes out like a risotto, nice and creamy. And as you can see, I had a LaCroix on the side. This is a really good meal also, very quick, very simple. The cauliflower is the kind that you steam in a bag. And the Laughing Cow, you know how easy that is to pop into a bowl. Making this dish super simple and quick. And for the last one, this is just a simple tuna salad. So tuna fish, romaine lettuce, a little bit of cucumber, avocado, and some healthy fat as the dressing, which I used off of the guide that Optav provides. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you want to see more, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.